In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and enroll advanced options. And here you will notice developer mode. If it's not here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode and then smoothly click to open. Now go a bit lower and here you will notice system demo mode. So just click to open and now you can activate it by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. If you would like to make it visible as well, just click on show demo mode and as you can see the change is even visible in your status bar. And this is it, that will be all. Then if you would like to switch off demo mode, just unmark those switchers and that's it. So that would be all. This is how you can activate demo mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.